how land is getting degraded and how land conservation can be done. Now, coming to soil as a resource. So, soil is considered to be an important natural resource, and soil is a medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms on the earth. It takes millions of years to form soil up to a few centimeter in length. So, soil is an important resource because only soil helps the plants to grow, and only if the plants grow, each and every single organism in the world get food. Okay, like how one or the other organism is either directly dependent or indirectly dependent on the plants for its survival. So if a plant has to grow, soil is important. So if the soil is important, soil is considered to be as a resource for us. So what are the factors which affects the formation of soil? Parent rock, climate, vegetation, wind, activity of decomposition, glaciers, organic and inorganic materials, temperature. So these are the factors which is considered to be the major thing which affects the formation of soil. What are the classification of soil? How is the classification done first of all? So classification is done on the basis of color, thickness, chemical and physical properties, texture, age. So these are the four major categories through which the classification of soil is done. So when it is classified, it can be classified into alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil, and forest soil. Coming to alluvial soil is a very fertile soil formed by deposit, sand and silt brought by the rivers. These alluvial soil are found in northern plains, coastal plains, deltas of rivers. And this soil can be used in order to grow rice, wheat, cotton and oil seed. And this soil is considered to be rich in potash and lime. And this soil is deficient in nitrogen. Deficient is less present in less amount. So this soil has deficiency in nitrogen. For example, we will have some deficiency in vitamins and minerals like that. The soil is also having deficiency in nitrogen. Nitrogen is something which is important to help the plant to grow. Okay, so they will add this nitrogen to the soil in some other ways. Then comes black soil, which is black in color, known as rigger soil, cotton soil and lava soil, made up of lava flow breaking down of igneous rocks. So that is from the volcanoes. And these are found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Godavari and Krishna valleys. This soil has the good capacity to hold moisture, and this soil is rich in calcium carbonate, potash, lime. And this soil also has a deficiency in phosphoric content. There is crack occurs in the soil when it is dry, but the soil is sticky when it is wet. Red soil. These soil are also called as porous cores, which is